Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix AMD graphics driver error in Windows. So you're just going to type in device manager on the search bar, and then you're going to go to your display adapters. Right click on it, update driver, and select search automatically for drivers. If you've done that, you're just going to go back here, browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select the second one and then select next. If that also does not work for you, you're just going to right click, go to properties, go to driver, and you're going to select rollback driver with the options there. And it's going to roll back your driver to like the other version that works for you. If that still doesn't work, you're just going to type in Windows Update settings, and you're just going to check for updates here. I've already updated my Windows, so if you haven't, do that first and then just restart your computer. Hopefully after all of that works for you, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.